How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and join me as I am embarking on a short trip here to San Antonio, Texas. This is my first time here to the city of San Antonio, as well as all the state of Texas. And starting off this trip here at Brackenridge Park, most notably here, the San Antonio Zoo. I know close to nothing about this place, but I'm always up for a new discovery. So let's go in and try to have some fun. Well, before even heading into the San Antonio Zoo, decided to take a ride here on the miniature train here in Brackenridge Park. It's actually operated by the zoo, but it is a separate cost and technically outside of the zoo gates. But that was really, really nice. It was almost a 20-minute long train ride that basically went through Brackenridge Park, which is a large community park. And it was really relaxing, and it was a really good way to start off the day. Also, I love here that they have a CP Huntington train here out in the front. I wonder if this used to run on the tracks or not. Right off the bat, this is a very impressive entrance here to the San Antonio Zoo.
Yeah, the sign back there would say,
So a lot of paths in this zoo are not exactly the most accessible. However, it does make for a pretty adventurous venture. Whoa.
Let's see who can get over it the best.
Okay, bye, mommy. Bye. Come on, just please.
Those are pythons. Yeah, those are baby pythons.
No, those are pythons. Those are vipers.
There you go. Wait, the back lady. Mom, look at the chameleon.
But take a look at this. You could rent a cabin that overlooks the enclosure. So they have a fake exhibit for the legendary mythological chupacabra. Now, another destination here at Brackenridge Park is the Japanese tea garden, and it's completely free to enter. I'm walking in right now. It is gorgeous here. Looks like it's inside of a quarry wall. There's waterfalls, there's flowers everywhere. It's very nice.
Guys, grabando picture.
I'm gonna go.
No, he was with me.
And that's going to do it here from my visit to Brackenridge Park in the San Antonio Zoo. Boy, that was a good way to kill about a little over 4 hours here. The zoo, I will say, is definitely on the older side. It dates back to 1918, but there was some newer exhibits that looked really good. In fact, they're doing a major expansion right now, and each exhibit seemed to just flow from one to the other, which was very nice. But there was also some older exhibits that I could appreciate, including some old animal houses, such as the aquarium, the amphibian house, and the reptile house. I will say, when you go to the zoo, just be cautious. Not all the paths are smooth. It's a little bit rocky. There's a bit of stairs here and there. So just keep that if you do come to visit. Also, right next door, do not miss this out, is Kiddie Park. And this is a historic park from 1925 filled with really old school kiddie rides, including a 1918 Spillman carousel. That was really cool to see. Also, the miniature railroad that goes around Brackenridge Park was really nice, relaxing, was a nice long ride. And then stop on over at the Japanese tea garden. Oh boy, it's a really nice place to be here for sure. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.